Hello and welcome to the Eclectic kitchen. Today we're making Japanese soufflé pancakes, a light and airy dessert that's surprisingly quick to whip up. First, separate 2 eggs. Be careful not to let any yolk sneak into the whites. The fat from the yolks makes it harder to whip up the whites properly. To 25 grams all-purpose flour add a quarter teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Give that a quick stir and set it aside. To the egg yolks add 30 ml of milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and the prepared flour mix. Whisk it all together until smooth and lump-free. It'll slightly thicken but still be pretty loose. Now onto the whites. Add a bit of lemon juice or cream of tartar to help stabilize the meringue. Whisk the egg whites until they're white and foamy but still soft. At that stage, start slowly adding 25 grams of sugar and keep whipping until you get stiff peaks. Once you hit that point, stop, as you can overmix the meringue. If you're feeling brave, go ahead and try the gravity test. If you don't have to clean half the kitchen, it's good. Take about a third of the meringue and mix it into the yolk batter. This helps loosen the texture so it's easier to fold in the rest. Add that back into the remaining meringue and gently fold until just combined. If you see a few small bits of meringue, that's totally fine. Better to leave a few than to overmix and lose all that air. You can spoon the batter into the pan, but I find using a piping bag makes it easier to shape the pancakes. Heat a non-stick pan on low heat, add a touch of oil and spread it out evenly with a paper towel to remove any excess. Pipe out 2 pancakes using about a quarter of the batter for each. Try not to overcrowd the pan, flipping can get tricky if it's too packed. Add a few drops of water to the pan, then cover it with a lid. Let it steam and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. I piped mine a little too small, so I added more batter after 3 minutes. After another 2 minutes, go ahead and flip them. They might not be perfect, but as long as they're golden and holding shape, you're good. Add a bit more water, cover again and cook for about 3 more minutes. That's it, hurry and plate them up quickly as they'll start to deflate as they cool. Mine lost about 30% of their height within 10 minutes while filming. Dust with powdered sugar, drizzle with vanilla syrup or whatever you like, they soak up syrup beautifully. Time to dig in. Soft, airy and custardy. The texture is like a super light sponge cake. I know you can definitely get them even fluffier with practice, but honestly for our first few tries, this turned out pretty solid. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bon appétit!